25 Easy Crafts to Sell Online. Ladies, welcome back to Single Moms Who Make Money. Now let's make some money. Please hit the little cute button and tap the bell icon for future videos. List of money-making crafts to sell online. Like any other business, this one also draws some investment to get started and to maintain. However, doing this job is great fun and a good time pass. As a stay-at-home mom, you can do this in your free time or when your baby is asleep, or when your children are off to school. Since you got to know how and where to sell your crafts, let us now see what crafts you can make and sell for profit. 1. Soap making with certain herbs, essential oils, colors, and some lather-producing ingredients. You can make soaps. You can make any kind of soaps like bathing or beauty soaps, or cloth and dishwashing detergents. The demand for both of them is high. However, beauty and bathing soaps are much interesting and fun to make. If you are making baby soaps, you can make them in the form of different toys, fruits, or cartoons. You might have also seen glycerin gemstone soaps. So try this as a fun way of making money. It is easy and affordable too. 2. Wood plaque. Wood plaque is used for decorative purposes and also to gift others. You can transfer photos onto the wood plaque or print greetings and quotes and sell them. You can also customize them according to your customers' choices. This is a great and satisfying craft to make, as it is a kind of service in which you are helping your customers convey emotions to their people. 3. Glass pebble magnets. Glass pebble magnets make great home decor, gifts, party favors, etc. These beauties are easy to make and sell for profit. You require glass pebbles, patterned paper, or the papers designed by you, a hot glue gun, glue sticks, etc. to make a glass pebble. This is a prompt and you can sell it for great profits, as they are a trend nowadays everywhere. 4. Children's headbands. Headbands are something that little girls are always fond of to style themselves. So you can make money out of their love towards this thing by making headbands. All you need to make them is colorful cloth and some stretchable. You can create funky and classy bands to allure the girls and earn decent profits. This is one of the best money-making crafts, as headbands are always a hit among girls. 5. Knit little garments. Are you good at knitting? Then make and sell little garments such as scarves, socks, gloves, etc. for babies. There are different trendy and cool patterns available in which you can crochet and attract customers to earn profits. Nowadays we also see the trend of woolen book covers. So you can also knit book covers and focus on customers who are book lovers and sell them to them. 6. Make pallet clocks. This is another easy craft that you can make and sell from home. If you are good at art, then you can create a range of pallet clocks and grow your business. All you need to do to make a pallet clock is to cut out a wooden pallet into a desired shape, attach clock hands, make numbers on it in an appealing style. You can also make small sceneries or pictures on it. 7. Homemade lip balm. Lip balms are always in demand, especially among the ladies group. Every makeup freak buys a lip balm for sure to give their lips a moist look before applying lipstick. So making and selling lip balms is another best money-making craft. However, making lip balm is very simple, and if you don't know how, you learn from the videos available on YouTube. All that you need to make a lip balm is beeswax, coconut oil, sweet almond oil, cocoa butter, and a flavor oil of your choice. You can make flavors of strawberry, peach, chocolate. 8. Customized decorative champagne glasses. Champagne glasses take a center spot in every party. Customize champagne flutes with a touch of your style and sell them for profits. Add designs, glitters, and concepts and sell them as gifts too. 9. Lace bowls. Lace bowls are sold in the market for a pretty high cost. They are much cheaper if you make them at home. This is one of those crafts that can help you make the most money. Make lace bowls at home, as they are inexpensive and super easy to make, and add your margin to sell them for profits. You will be selling them at less than the market price and still will be earning nice profits. 10. Make flower tiaras. Flower tiaras or flower crowns are attractive head/hair accessories. They are popularly used in weddings, festivals, and other occasions. They can be made with simple items such as fabric flowers, a headband, and of course some creativity. Flower crowns always attract girls. You can also make and sell fresh flower tiaras on demand. 11. Customize coasters. We find food and drink vessels placed on coasters in restaurants and houses. You can make these coasters out of the wooden pallet and sell them for amazing profits. You can also make personalized coasters with quotes or drawings and sell them to your customers. For making personalized coasters, you require some plain coasters, fabric, or paper that you can draw or write on, and glue and some transparent plastic covers. 12. Sew velvet pillows. Another craft that you can make and sell from home is velvet pillows. If you are good at sewing, then there are velvet cloth materials with a lot of designs in the market. Use those velvet materials, polyester pillow stuffing, to sew attractive pillows and sell them from your home. 13. Hand accessories. Buy some wire and beads of different colors and shape from the market to make funky hand accessories like bracelets and rings. These are pretty easy and inexpensive to make and attract jewelry fans to make purchases. You can draw a decent margin by using this money-making crafts. 14. Make scented candles. Candles are used as decorative items in many houses and restaurants. Of them, scented candles are much preferred as they lift the ambience with sweet perfumes. This is one of the best money-making crafts, provided you know how to make a scented candle. But if you don't know, there are several videos out there on the internet to teach you. All you need is some wax and some perfumes. Once you master the art of making candles, then there you are ready to pull off a great profit selling them. 15. Mosaic picture frames. If you are good at making mosaic art, then this craft idea to make money is for you. You can make and sell different mosaic art frames or customized mosaic frames. You just need small pieces of stones, colored glass, or other material to make them. 16. Make palette picture frames. There is no end to the picture frame market. You can earn by making different kinds of picture frames with different kinds of materials. One such classy and attractive picture frame can be made with wooden pallets. There are many things that we can make out of wooden pallets if you have properly observed this article. Making frames out of pallets is pretty easy, cheap, and fun. Make frames of different shapes, colors, and sizes and make money. 17. Customized pottery. Yes, you can make personalized pottery items according to your customers' choices. Paint or decorate a coffee mug, a fruit bowl, or any other pottery item. You can make use of sparkles and sometimes their pictures or personalized message to make beautiful pottery. This is a budget-friendly craft to make and sell from home. You are free to create pieces of any design and color. 18. Wind chimes. Wind chimes are one of the most purchased home decor items. So make wind chimes at home and sell them. You can make them with different sorts of materials and in different colors, sizes, and designs. You can also make indoor or outdoor wind chimes. This is one of the best crafts with which you can earn a good margin. 19. Button necklaces. Make button necklaces at home and target vintage fashion lovers to sell them for profits. This is one of the easiest crafts to make money. All you need are buttons of different varieties and necklace chains. With these two materials, you can make different models of button necklaces. 20. Jewelry boxes. Make customized jewelry boxes using different sorts of materials like stones, glitters, mirrors, wool, fabric, etc. This craft is one of the best money-making crafts because jewelry boxes are always a hit product to sell. And everyone from a little girl to an elderly woman needs them. You can decorate a simple box into a jewelry box or can make jewelry boxes out of different items like cardboard, wood, and sometimes cigar boxes. 21. Make keychains. There are several varieties of keychains you can make at home and sell for profits. If you are good at knitting, then knit miniature dolls or flowers or anything you wish and make keychains with them. You can also make fabric keychains, clay keychains, and minute personalized wooden letters as keychains. Keychains are something that is always used, so craft some unique and funky keychains to attract customers. 22. Make customized baby blankets. Again, if you are an expert at sewing and art, then create and sew some cute and soft baby blankets. These are mostly given as gifts to newborn babies and soon-to-be parents. Clothing is always a profitable market, so you can make the most money with this craft. 23. Handmade earrings. Accessories are frequently purchased items, out of which earrings are most regularly purchased. Make tassel earrings or quilt earrings with paper, wood, or other materials and sell them from home. 24. Handmade Christmas wreaths. Handmade Christmas wreaths are one of more best money-making crafts. Everyone purchases these almost every Christmas and are the best crafts to make money during the holiday season. 25. Handbags and purses. Sewing, quilting, knitting, and crocheting again. Do you know any one of these? Then make beautiful handbags and purses to sell for profits. This is a list of some of the best money-making crafts. Many stay-at-home moms make and sell crafts and earn profits. Choose the idea which is familiar and comfortable to you from the above list of the best money-making crafts and make profits. Ladies, please sign up for our blog and win a special prize.